Do you have an intake filter? If not, you could be sucking in mold spores. First, we'll need to make space for the filter. Trace around the outside. Carefully cut a window out that is smaller than the filter. Using hot glue to seal in place. Trace round the fan output. Cut out the hole using a hole saw or a Stanley knife. Deburr for a flush fit. Lots of glue to hold this in place. Make sure that the air is getting blown out of the box. And glue in place. Positive pressure means the mold gets blown away.